Guys, the biggest news now on the internet space is that Atiku's attorney, Angela Liu, who is presiding over the case against Alhaji Bola Tinubu over the authenticity of his Chicago State University as well as his identity. The woman has shown that Chicago State University did not issue any certificate to Alhaji Bola Tinubu. In her question, she asked, how can a university issue two different certificates to a man? One in 1979 on the 22nd of June, one in 1979 on the 27th of June. And do you know the shocker about this certificate scandal? Some of the persons whose signatories were present on this certificate that were issued to Alhaji Bola Tinubu were never employee of Chicago State University as at the time of Alhaji Bola Tinubu's graduation, allegedly in 1979. This is a shocker to me personally. And I begin to wonder, where is then the integrity? By all ramifications, our leaders have taken us for a ride for a very long time. And INEC as an institution does not do diligence to our political leaders who comes out for public offices. Otherwise, how did we get here? How can a man submit two different certificates bearing different signatories of different personalities?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Bala Blue video between Atiku, Tinubu and Chicago State University. But before I continue, let me appreciate and thank Oga Atiku for the job well done. Yeah, I'm talking about the Chicago State University follow-up on Tinubu's certificate and records. Of course, Atiku knows that he himself did not win the election. Let's be clear on that. And he knows that Peter Obi won the 2023 presidential election. But Atiku cannot open his eyes to see Tinubu continue ruling the country. He would rather see Peter Obi declare the winner than Tinubu. After all, he and Obi had once contested for the presidential and vice presidential election and knows that Peter Obi is not just a good man but a trustworthy person. Alright, so back to the matter. Atiku has asked us to ask Tinubu how you take get this Chicago University certificate. I mean, how you take even attend themselves. You will not go primary school, you will not go secondary school. How you can't take enter US University, make we even leave Chicago. How you take enter US University? Even in Nigeria, you have to attend nursery, you have to attend primary, you have to attend secondary school before you even write JAMB and then gain admission into the university. In fact, okay, there was this undercover by David Hundeyin. Man, guys, this guy deserves a national award. Yes, a national honor. I'll be having to put on. And I'm sure that he will be among Peter Obi's cabinet when sworn in as the president. So this David Hundeyin, he discovered that Bola Tinubu recently joined Chicago State University Alumni Network. No be juju be that. Okay, how can you graduate in 1979 and then you did not join your alumni group or whatever? You now decided to add yourself in 2023. And that is 44 years after your graduation. I don't think Tinubu attended university, not to even talk of Chicago State or whatever they call it. We are yet to see his primary result, his secondary result, and we are seeing university result. No be juju be that. Tinubu doesn't respect process, and that is why we see him forge his certificate. He doesn't even want to pass through any process of acquiring a certificate or any document, and that is why the process through which he won the election and declared a winner is what Peter Obi is challenging in court. It's not even his being, the winner of the, the presidential election, but the process. That is what Peter Obi is challenging in court. Because it is when you proved how a process was done wrongly that you hit the nail on the head about your argument. All right, guys. So this is it. Let me know what you think about this at the comment section. I'm going to leave you with it to continue with this video. Please like and subscribe.
Yes, my people, just watch wetin dey happen for this video. According to the reports where they fly around now, this video where they see like this now, illegal mining sites for Zamfara State owned by an ex-governor and who is a serving senator today. Listen, just watch the video. I go read exactly what the report about this video they talk. at the end of this video. But watch from the beginning to the end. You go see how these people dig. See, like, there is no need to even say this country will work or not. Just watch the video first. You will understand what I want to explain everything for you at the end of the video. Watch the video and share them. They're very important. Just the look.
Na aka canta kilo
bari yan mun koma mu zo da sai
Sagiru dan sagi shege ya san wuri mai kyau kenan
idan kuma
kun ga yadda aka hatuwa daga ragara mai sallasa guntattaki
ba mu ba da kuɗi mu kwaso mu kwashi waccan Allah
kace Allah ka
a to shikenan sai in kwashi da ragara
ya rere kai oba da ba ta kai da ba.
Just the look. Now look at this thing. This is where this is how they dig this. Just watch. God have mercy on Nigeria. Just watch. See how they dig. This thing you are seeing. This is gold mining site. See, just look. You will see. Just watch. See. See where they started digging it from. This place don't talk to you see where they started digging it from. As in, they don't get excess natural resources. We are too blessed in this country. But what is our problem? Bad leadership. Our commonwealth has been stolen by a few thieves. Look at where they dig from. You know when you go up there, you see those things in block forms. So, according to Mahdi Shehu, I think it's from Kaduna State. Yeah, if I'm correct. He said, Zamfara illegal gold mining. The location is in Anka local government. Sites owned by a former governor, a retired general, and a serving senator. No wonder there have never been kidnapping instances at the mining sites because they are well protected. 1,000 naira per day per laborer, another militia. 1,000 naira per day per laborer. Nigeria, what exactly do you want? But when we talk, you will see people that will come and say this video is fake. Me, I'm not saying I confirm the video. I'm not confirming the video. This is the person who published the video on Twitter and dropped the report about it. We have some people who do mining in Nigeria. They get license. It takes you some years to get a license. Maybe sometimes like 2 years, sometimes even 6 months if you have all the connection. They get license, they do mining. Now, according to this report that you just heard me read out now, it is stating clearly that it is owned by a serving senator today. When Peter Obi said that those who steal oil are people in government, that is not something that me and you can steal. Now, the people who are carrying this, digging this thing and carrying it and taking it to wherever they are depositing it, is doing it for 1,000 naira per day. 1,000 naira per day. Now, these people are digging out their own money and giving it to a thief. These people will take these things. In fact, the first question should be, how do they take it out of Nigeria? And how come that the army, the Air Force, the DSS is not aware of this? At this point in time, I call on the DSS to abandon everything it's doing, chasing people in the name of fighting corruption. It's not their job. They should leave that job to the right authorities and go and face the instability in this country, because this is how another banditry starts. They should go and fix issues like this one. EFCC is hanging, carrying eagle eyes like people that does not see. The boss has been held by DSS since how many days now? This is exactly where EFCC is supposed to build their camp. People are being deployed to mine resources owned by Nigeria for only one individual. And then they take this in, however they take it out of the country, I don't know. But these things get out of this country on daily basis. Billions of dollars. Yet Nigeria is poor. These people take these things out, they dump the money over there, or they even invest the money in other people's companies here in Nigeria. they dump it abroad, and the countries over there will be using the money to develop themselves. Whereas we sit here in Nigeria and answer the owner of the money. This is exactly why we talk. But unfortunately, when you talk, some people will come and tell you, they will say, yeah. The other one they were saying yesterday is that you are calling for your early grave. That you will soon die. That they will arrest you. They will do this, they will do that. DSS will carry you.